Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new project on the Asana application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then click on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then type in the name of your project to the first section. Select the layout, whether you would like it to be a list or the board, and then select whether you would like it to make public. Then click on the create button down below, and here you can see that your project has been created. So here you can add to-do tasks that are in progress, and entries that are done. Here you can add members to it and so on. So if you tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see that it has been added to your project section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.